Hey travelers, Imam here from Travels with Imam. Today I'm thrilled to bring you some game-changing advice. We're diving deep into surviving and even thriving on a long-haul flight in economy class. Cramped seats, dry air, endless hours. Sounds dreadful, right? But with a few strategic moves, you can transform that endurance test into a comfortable journey. Today, I'm sharing my must-know tips to survive a long-haul flight in economy class. From clever comfort tricks to essential packing hacks, and one crucial mistake you must avoid. This is your complete, battle-tested guide, honed from countless hours spent navigating the skies. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-timer, you've come to the right place. We're going to equip you with all the knowledge you need to step off that plane feeling refreshed. Fasten your seatbelts, make sure your tray tables are stowed, because this is your complete guide. Let's take off. Let's kick things off with the cornerstone of a bearable long-haul flight, booking the right seat. This is where you lay the foundation for your entire in-flight experience. Think of it as your first strategic move in the game of long-haul survival. Become a seat map detective using websites like Seat Guru. Avoid spots near the restrooms and galley zones to dodge disturbances. Consider your personal preferences: aisle seat for freedom of movement or window seat for sleep support. Pro tip: bulkhead seats often provide more legroom, and exit row seats offer generous space. Just be aware that exit row seats come with responsibilities, and bulkhead seats may lack under-seat storage. Weigh your options carefully. Your seat choice can make or break your flight experience. A little research goes a long way. Choose wisely and set the stage for a comfortable journey. Let's talk about an invisible enemy: dehydration. Cabin air is notoriously dry, often drier than the Sahara Desert. This dryness can lead to a scratchy throat, dry skin, headaches, and increased fatigue. The secret weapon: water, and lots of it. Start increasing your water intake several hours before your flight. Avoid caffeine and alcohol as they contribute to dehydration. Make water your beverage of choice. Bring an empty, refillable water bottle through security. Fill it up at a water fountain and ask flight attendants to top it up during the flight. Staying hydrated is crucial for your comfort. A well-hydrated body handles the dry cabin air much better. Stay hydrated, stay happy. When dressing for a long-haul flight, comfort is king. Soft, breathable fabrics that allow for movement are key. Loose-fitting trousers or leggings, a comfortable t-shirt, and a cozy cardigan or zip-up top are your best bets. Layering is essential, as cabin temperatures can be unpredictable. A hoodie provides extra warmth and a cocoon of privacy for sleeping. Compression socks improve circulation and reduce swelling. They are a true game-changer for long-haul comfort. Dress smart and stay comfortable throughout your journey. Your in-flight wardrobe can make a huge difference. Prioritize comfort over fashion. You'll thank yourself later. Comfort is the ultimate luxury on a long flight. Lean in close because this next tip is critical. Avoid eating a heavy, greasy, or overly processed meal right before takeoff. High altitude and cabin pressure changes can wreak havoc on your digestive system. Heavy foods are harder to digest and can lead to bloating, indigestion, and discomfort. Opt for lighter, healthier options before you fly. Think salad, grilled chicken sandwich, fruit, or yogurt. Choosing easily digestible foods will make a world of difference. You'll feel light and comfortable, not like you've got a bowling ball in your stomach. A little dietary caution goes a long way. Your stomach will thank you. Eat smart and fly comfortably. Avoid the pre-flight food trap. In this digital age, our electronic devices are indispensable travel companions. Battery life is crucial during a long-haul flight. Not all aircraft are equipped with in-seat power outlets. Make sure all your essential devices are fully charged before you leave for the airport. Invest in a good quality portable power bank. A power bank with at least 10,000 milliamp hours is recommended. This ensures your devices stay charged throughout the flight. Having your own power source gives you control and peace of mind. Your devices are your lifeline to sanity on a long flight. Keep them fed and stay entertained. Power up proactively. Stay connected and entertained. Sleeping on a long-haul flight in economy is possible with the right tools. Create an environment that signals to your body and mind that it's time to rest. A quality neck pillow provides proper support for your head and neck. A comfortable sleep mask blocks out ambient cabin light. Noise-cancelling headphones or earplugs drown out engine hum and chatter. Some people swear by a spritz of lavender pillow mist. A cozy travel blanket can also enhance your comfort. Recreate the sensory cues of your home sleep environment. Transform your seat into a mini sleep sanctuary. Sweet dreams at 35,000 feet are achievable. Plan strategically and rest well. Sleep is essential for a comfortable journey. Craft your in-flight sleep sanctuary. Sitting still for hours can be detrimental to your health. Incorporate simple movement into your in-flight routine. Get up and move around at least once every 2 hours. Be mindful of the seatbelt sign and crew service. Simple foot circles, ankle flexes, and leg lifts boost circulation. Gentle shoulder rolls, neck stretches, and torso twists alleviate stiffness. Think of it as your mini in-flight yoga session. Small movements play a vital role in keeping your blood flowing. Prevent muscle cramps and reduce sluggishness. Wiggle, stretch, and walk whenever you can. Your body will thank you when you land. Airline food can be hit or miss, so bring your own healthy snacks. Having your own stash means you're in control of what and when you eat. Pack nutrient-dense, non-perishable items that travel well. Nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and fresh fruits are great options. Energy bars or granola bars provide sustained energy. Rice cakes, whole grain crackers, or a light sandwich are also good choices. Don't forget chewing gum or hard candies for ear pressure discomfort. A well-curated snack bag is a secret weapon against hunger pangs. Smart snacking ensures you stay energized and comfortable. Avoid relying solely on in-flight catering. Bring your own goodness. Enjoy a smoother journey with smart snacks. And there you have it, travelers. My comprehensive guide to surviving a long-haul flight in economy class. From choosing your seat and staying hydrated to dressing for comfort and avoiding heavy meals, these tips will transform your journey. Pack your power bank, build a sleep kit, keep moving, bring smart snacks, and sanitize your space. Long-haul flights in economy can be tough, but they are survivable with the right tools and mindset. Feel more prepared and confident for your next big adventure. Got a go-to travel hack? Share it in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Imam Sailorman's channel. It's been a pleasure sharing these strategies with you. Until next flight, safe travels everyone, and may your journeys be smooth and your landings happy.